Hi students, welcome to our maths class. I am Harshnath Sukla and in class 10th chapter is polynomial. We are going to discuss division algorithm for the polynomial. As in previous classes, we had already discussed the relation between the coefficients and zeros of the polynomial, and some questions I have already done here, and you may complete your exercise 2.2. This is very easy. Maximum question I had already told you here. So let us begin. Division algorithm for polynomial. Okay, so in division algorithm of polynomial, division algorithm for polynomials. In this particular topic, if you see, Px is a polynomial, Gx is a divisor, and Qx is the quotient, and Rx is remainder. That is, this is polynomial. This is divisor. This is quotient, and this is remainder. Then we can represent this polynomial Px as Qx into Gx and plus Rx. This is the division algorithm for the polynomial. Okay, so we can discuss some questions and divide the polynomial by another polynomial. So let us see. The first question is, divide x minus 1, x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. Suppose x minus 1 is divisor, x cube minus 1 is your given polynomial. So now divide it. So for division, you see x minus 1, that means first of all x square, then this is x cube minus x square. So minus cancel out, plus x square plus minus of 1. Again we divide by x plus x, so x square minus of x. This is cancelled out, plus x minus 1, and now we divide by 1, then x minus 1, this is cancelled out. Okay, so we can write it as x cube minus 1 is nothing but x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. So this is the division of a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, so note it down. Okay, I hope you completed this one. Now next question is, divide 2x square divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Okay, see the division. X plus 2 is here, and 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now division. There is 2x square, so what should we multiply in x that we get 2x square? Okay, so if we multiply by 2x, this is 2x square plus 4x. So this is cancelled out, and this is minus x plus 1. Now what should we multiply in x? That we should get minus x. So minus 1 if you multiply minus x minus of 2. This is cancelled out. This is 3. So here you see 2x square plus 3x plus 1 can be written as 2x minus 1 into x plus 2, and remainder is now 3. So this is in the form of px is equals to qx plus rx, qx into gx plus rx. Okay, so this is the division. Now we will discuss some important question based on this particular division algorithm. Okay, so please note it down. I hope you completed. Whenever you complete the written work, you pause the video and write it. Okay, so see question. Divide 3x square minus x cube. Divide 3x square minus x cube. Question. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. X minus 1 minus x square. You have to divide the given polynomial by another polynomial. So please see, this is nothing but minus x square plus x minus 1, and this is 3x square minus x cube. So we write it in the manner minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, and now divide it. Okay, so see, first of all, what should we multiply in x square? That we get x cube minus of x cube. So suppose if you divide it, multiply it by x. Okay, I write here x, then this is what, minus x cube plus x square and minus x, and now change the sign, 2x square, change the sign, minus 2x plus 5. Okay, now what we should multiply here, that it will become plus 2x square. So if minus 2 is multiplied here, this is 2x square minus 2x and minus plus 2, and you will get cancelled out. This is cancelled out, and minus this is 3. So we can write the given polynomial minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 as minus x square plus x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2, and remainder is now 3. So note it down. Okay, now next question. This is very important, most important. You can see, find all zeros. This is example number 9 from NCERT book. Find all zeros of polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, so see the explanation. Okay, given polynomial is example number 9 NCERT, most important for the board exam. So see, find all zeros of polynomial 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. We know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, so what is the working rule? How to solve it? So first of all, we find the polynomial whose zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, and then divide this polynomial, that means the given polynomial, by the polynomial whose roots are root 2 and minus root 2. We will get quotient, and if you factorize the quotient, then we get all other zeros. So let us begin. Give a polynomial having roots are root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, so x minus root 2 and x plus root 2, you know how to make it. So this is x square minus 2. Now divide 2x power 4 minus 3x cube 3x square plus 6x minus 2 by x square minus 2. We get quotient, and if you factorize the quotient, we will get the all other zeros. So divide it. What should we multiply in this x square? That's we get 2x power 4. So we multiply by 2x square. We get 2x power 4 and minus 4x square. So here we write minus 4x square. And this is cancelled out. This same as minus 3x cube. And this is plus. So plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay. Now next question is, what should we multiply in this polynomial? That first term we should get minus 3x cube. So minus 3x, if you multiply here, you get minus 3x cube, and if you multiply in this, plus 6x square, and this is nothing but plus cancelled out, minus, this is minus 5x square, and plus, just wait, minus 3 to the 6x, sorry, this term is here, 6x, and this is cancelled out, and this is plus of x square and minus of 2, and if we multiply it by 1, then you know x square minus 2, and this is cancelled out, so remainder is 0. So what is the quotient? 2x square minus 3x plus 1. And if we factorize the quotient, we will get other zeros. Okay. So now we are going to factorize the quotient of this polynomial. So what we get? All other zeros are factor zeros of are the zeros of polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So factorize it. 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1, and this is equal to 2x minus 1 minus 1x minus 1. So this is equal to 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. And if you see from here, the zeros are x is equal to 1 by 2 and 1. So two zeros are already given, root 2 and minus root 2, and other zeros are 1 by 2 and 1. 1 by 2 and 1. Okay. So you may understand this question. So note it down, and then afterwards next question we are going to do. Okay. Okay, now next question is from the exercise 2.3 question number 3. 2.3 question number 3. Obtained all zeros of the polynomial. Question number 3 is obtained all zeros of the polynomial. Obtained all zeros of the polynomial 3x power 4. 3x power 4. Obtained all zeros of the polynomial. Question number 3 from 2.3. Obtained all zeros of the polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus of root 5 by 3. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So same method, in solution same method. First of all we obtain the polynomial by whose roots are. So polynomial whose roots are root 5 by 3, root 5 by 3 and minus of root 5 by 3, x plus root 5 by 3 and x minus root 5 by 3, and if we multiply we will get x square minus 5 by 3, and we solve. This is 3x square minus 5 by 3. As you know, this is the constant, there is no need in obtaining polynomial. So your polynomial is 3x square minus 5. Now divide the given polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by 3x square minus 5. So what we get, and you know very well how to divide. So if you divide, then this is x square. So 3x power 4 minus 5x square. This is cancelled out. 6x cube plus 3x square and minus 10x minus 5, and next term 6x cube, so 2x plus 2x is there, so 2 3 is 6x cube minus 5 2 is 10x. So this is again cancelled out. This is 3x square minus 5. So plus 1 times, this is 3x square minus 5. This whole is cancelled out. Okay. So your obtained polynomial, that is quotient, is x square plus 2x plus 1. So quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now if we factorize this, we will get other zeros. Okay. So now just going to factorize it. You know what is the factor of this particular. So x plus 1 whole square, you know very well. So other zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. That is, both are the same. So what are the zeros of the given polynomial? Plus root 5 by 3, minus root 5 by 3 and minus 1. Minus 1. So you can say the other zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. So note it down, and then we discuss some questions based on the discuss some question from the optional exercise. Okay, see this question. Question number 3 from optional exercise. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, Then find the values of A and B. Okay, when you know about the arithmetic progression, then this question is of the type find the value of A and B if the zeros of polynomial are in AP. Okay, so you know this is a cubic polynomial, so there are three roots. So let roots of polynomials are alpha, beta and gamma. Then alpha is what? A minus B. Beta is what? A, and gamma is A plus B, because these are the roots of the polynomial. Okay, so we have relation alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is minus B by A. So what is minus B by A? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then B is minus 3. That's why here minus of minus 3 divided by 1. This is 3. So alpha is A minus B plus A plus B. B we cancelled out. 3A is equal to 3. So this implies A will be 1. Similarly, alpha, beta, gamma, this is d by minus d by A, that is minus 1 by 1. So alpha is A minus B, A plus B, this is minus 1. Now put the value of A here, you will get the value of B. So you can do it by yourself, okay. A we had already find, but B you can find, okay, after putting the value of A. So note it down, and then after we shall discuss next question, okay. One more question. Okay, see next question. Question number 4 from the same exercise, optional. This is question number 4. If two zeros, the same question, if two zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x and minus 35 are 2 plus minus root 3, then find all other zeros. Okay, so see this question also. Here one root is 2 plus root 3 and another is 2 minus root 3. So if one is supposed to be alpha and another is beta, then alpha plus beta is what? 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. This is cancelled out 4. And alpha beta is what? 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So this is 4 minus 3, 1. So what is the polynomial whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3? So polynomial having roots are 2 plus minus root 3 is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So x square minus 4x plus 1. X square minus 4x plus 1. So in the same manner, you divide the given polynomial by this polynomial. You get quotient, remainder, quotient, and factorize the quotient, you will get other zeros. Okay, so let us see. I am just going to erase it. See, you divide it, this polynomial, by x square minus 4x plus 1. If you divide, you will get x square here, x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square, plus x square, okay. What do you get here? Minus 2x cube and this is minus 26, and this is minus x minus 27 x square plus 138x minus 35. Now what should we multiply here that we get minus 2x cube? So minus x 2x minus 2x, if you multiply here, then this is minus 2x square and minus 4. So this is minus plus 8 x square plus 1, that means minus 2x, and this is nothing but plus cancelled out, and this is minus 19, no not 19, 35 x square, and this is plus 140x minus 35. So if we multiply here by 5, 35, then this is 35 x square minus 35, not 35, minus 35. So minus 35x square, and this is minus plus 140x minus 35, and this whole are cancelled out. Okay, now factorize x square minus 2x minus 35. You will get other zeros, so you can factorize and get other zeros. So I hope you all are enjoyed this particular lecture. So whatever doubts, what is lacking in this video, you can say it by comments. I'm just going to improve that. So thank you very much.